What is this?
Baking soda. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Baking soda. Baking soda.
Baking soda. Yes.
This is pumpkin.
See?
Yay!
Hmm?
How I can do this? It smells like watermelon.
It smells like watermelon?
Yeah.
You can take it out if you want. You can take it out. Ah, messy.
Can you wash your hands? You clean it up in water.
Huh?
2 trees in there. Wow! Monster! Yeah, one face.
One place.
So scary.
Yeah, I got it here. If you want, you can eat. Okay?
This one?
Yeah, you can eat. You can.
Yeah.
And let me know. How is pumpkin?
No.
Not good?
No.
You can eat. We can eat pumpkin.
I do
Yes.
this one.
No?
No.
You very tasty pumpkin.
You can eat this. What? This size. So big up the soap.
This vinegar.
We need to be also close.
Soda here.
Yeah, you put this in the pumpkin.
Yeah, we will put color here.
Too much colors are coming.
And you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome! Let's just do it! Halloween pumpkin volcano experiment. Take this. Take this. Yeah? Okay.
Here it comes.
Oh, let me. Close. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Woo. So we sit down.
It's crazy.
Oh my goodness. Come here. Okay. Come here. Samir, what's from this side?
Look.
ये देखो. See? This pumpkin is crying. See? And the tears are coming out.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Go. It's like snake.
अब इसी में डायरेक्ट जाएगा वाटर सारा और वो देखो उधर से क्या आ रहा है